Fight!
The F-150 has been refreshed for 2024, complete with enhancements to its exterior styling that include tweaked grilles, exterior lighting elements, wheel designs, and more. Around the back, a new Pro Access tailgate feature is optional and offers users a way to open just a small part of the tailgate. Tundra sees a few cosmetic and package updates for 2024. The TRD Off-Road package is now available on the Platinum grade. The Nightshade package is now available on the Limited grade, and the full-size 12.3-inch digital instrument panel is now standard on Limited. As standard, the F-150 comes with a twin-turbo EcoBoost 2.7-liter V6 producing 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque that is connected to a 10-speed automatic transmission, resulting in a towing capacity of 13,500 pounds. The MPG rating for this engine is 20 city 26 highway for rear-wheel drive configuration and 19 city 24 highway for four-wheel drive configuration. The price of the F-150 starts at $36,875 for the XL to $73,845 for the Platinum. The Tundra is equipped with a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 as standard that produces 348 ponies and 405 pound-feet of torque. Like the Ford, this too comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission. However, this engine configuration has a despicable towing capacity of only 8,300 pounds, while MPG ratings are 18 city 24 highway for rear-wheel drive and 17 city 23 highway for four-wheel drive. Starting price for the Tundra is $39,965 for the SR to $78,845 for the Capstone. Unlike the Tundra, the F-150 comes with a huge range of models that fits everyone's needs, as well as an optional onboard generator that can power tools or equipment. As mentioned before, one of the biggest advantage the Ford has is in fuel economy, payload capacity, and towing. On the flip side, the hybrid powertrains Ford offers for the F-150 are noisy and not as smooth, unlike the ones offered in the Tundra. Another drawback is the fact that longer 8-foot beds are only available on single cab variations, unlike the Tundra, that are able to come with an 8-foot bed even on double cab variations. Lastly, it is sad to see that the new 2024 updates are only minor cosmetic changes. In comparison to the F-150, the Tundra has an advantage in its driving experience, as the transmission puts down power smoothly, and the rear coil spring suspension give it a comfortable ride. If you have a bit more money to spend, the Tundra also has a 14-inch infotainment system available. However, unlike the F-150 that offers a 12-inch infotainment display for all models, the Tundra only gets an 8-inch infotainment display as standard. For a full-size pickup truck, the Tundra also have an abysmal towing capacity and is able to seat less than the F-150, as the Ford can seat 6 people in its Super Cab and Super Crew models. In summary, the new Ford F-150 only got minor cosmetic changes for 2024. However, it still can get the job done while being fuel efficient. You also don't have to go for higher models to enjoy a nicely equipped interior. It a great blend of workhorse capabilities with comfortable accommodations. The Tundra is not a workhorse like the F-150, so it won't be able to haul or tow as much. It's more for those who occasionally need a workhorse and would prefer a more comfortable and reliable ride. The pricing of the Tundra does start a bit higher, but since the Tundra doesn't come in a single cab, it's actually a bargain. Which one would you drive? I personally would get the Tundra because its double cab is not that much more expensive than the single cab F-150. Plus, I don't need a very capable truck, just one that I can occasionally use for towing or hauling.